siya guys, Odaiba Beach in Tokyo. Look, there's a bright star and there's the moon, so I think that's Venus. Beach din siya guys, pero nandun kaya view. And then Isabel and Basti, they're playing there. It's Basti walking on the beach. So pretty here. Let's get the buildings up. Very cool. Boys, guys. Nagawa na si Isabel. Panas Basti. Whee! What are you doing, friend? Mommy's coming. This is the face.